Here I've got Philips X818 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset in order to remove screen lock on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, simply tap on power key and select power off. Confirm that you'd like to shut down the device by tapping on OK and wait a couple of seconds. Now tap on power key and volume up key, hold both keys all together. Keep holding. And now you're in boot mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up key and for selection use volume down key. So we have to pick recovery mode, so tap on volume down key once you select it and wait until you see the Android logo. And once the robot appears, tap on power key and then click once on volume up key. And here you can use volume up and down keys to select some particular option, and for selection use power key. So let me find wipe data factory reset. Here it is, tap on power key. Let's go to yes, delete all user data, tap on power key to confirm. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, data wipe complete, so we can reboot system now. Simply tap on power key to do it and wait a couple of seconds until it's done. And that's it. Now you can set up your device as a new one. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.